Hi, I'm Avanti. In this video, I'm going to explain how to draw a class diagram for online shopping in IBM Rational, which is also one of the parts of the Lab 1 assignment for the course CS 590. Now let's start. In order to draw a class diagram in IBM Rational, just make sure that you installed IBM Rational in your system and go to search bar and type app Rational and open it. It is opened. And then click on new project, give your project name. I'll give my project name as online shopping because I'm drawing the class diagram for online shopping project. It just asks me to replace the folder because it already exists. Yeah, I'm clicking yes. If not, it'll just ask you to create a folder. Then also you can click yes. Yeah, now I'm dragging and dropping the class object here. You need to rename it. Generally, the class diagram of online shopping consists of class objects like buyers, sellers, products, comparison tools, product comparison tools, and also security systems, administrators, whereas some of them are human class objects and some of them are non-human class objects. We'll differentiate them later. Now we'll give the class objects here. After giving the class objects, just add attributes and operations here. In order to add any attribute or operation, just right click on it, go to add new, and then go to the attribute and now rename the attribute like username. Give the data type and also the length of the attribute here. After that, give some more attributes. Add some more attributes like password, as user need password to login or register, or make his transactions payments secure. He need an account. And add some more attributes like first name, okay. I think I just made a mistake here. Yeah. And then add last name. While giving attribute names, just make sure that you're not giving any spaces between the words like first and name, because in Rational Rhapsody, it just doesn't take the spaces between the attribute names. So now we will add other attributes like email ID, which is also a string. Give 20 characters as the length, and phone number, which is going to be int, and the length will be 11. And then shipping address. Which is also going to be a string. And we'll give 30 as the length. Yeah. And then we are going to add operations now, like by right clicking on it and going to operation like this. And the operations will be, for a customer, generally the operations are going to be to register to login. So let's give the register and to login here. First we'll go with the registration. So we'll give register to register. Yeah. And we'll give to login. we can also reset the password, right? So we'll give to reset the password. Now we'll give to search for the product. To check out. To make payment. These days, searching doesn't only happens with just typing the word which we want. We can also upload picture in order to search, or to just scan a picture to search the items in some websites. So we'll just go with the operation like to upload a picture. Yeah. In this way, we can add class objects in any class diagram. Now let's add some more class objects. Now we'll rename this class object as products, which is a non-human class object. Since we already added a human class object, now we'll go with the non-human class object. And now we'll add the attributes for the class object products, like product ID, as it has some ID here. Product category. We should know that the product belongs to some category. Product name. We'll give 30 here. And product price. Etc. Now we'll add the operations, not attributes. Sorry. So operations will be like to add the product, where the sellers are going to add the products, to view the product, to remove the product. Sellers can also remove their products. To compare the product. These days product comparison tool is introduced in many websites. So we can add to compare the product also. In this way, we just add the other class objects of the class diagram of online shopping. Now we will just differentiate these human and non-human class objects by just coloring them. So in order to color them, just select them and go with the line coloring and give here. Here you can see the line color has changed from light green to dark green. Now again select them in order to fill the inner part, just go with fill color, give this light color. So if you want to change the text color, you can just go here and give the text color. Here the text color is changed. You can observe this. Now here also, I just colored this with green color because indicating it is a human class object. Now we'll just color them with any other colors like maroon or brown, and make sure you just color the inner part with the light color because the text should be visible to the developer or the other person who sees the class diagram. Yeah, in this way we are going to just color the class objects. So in order to just thicken this border, go to the format here, right click on it, go to the format and click OK here. You can observe the border is thick now when compared to this border. Yeah. Now let's see how to delete any class attribute. We'll just go double click on the class object and go to attributes here. Okay, we should give the name here like username. Click OK. Now let's see how to delete a whole class object. As I created this, I'll just give this with a shopping cart. And let's see how to delete this. In order to delete this, just right click on it and click delete from model. It just asks you to delete again. So we'll say yes. In this way, we are going to delete the whole class object. Now we'll see how to create a single class attribute. Just click here and go to attributes. Here you can see the ports, description and attributes. Go to attributes, select the attribute and click here the button. You can see the username is deleted here. Okay. In order to add any attribute, just click again, add new and add username here. So in this way, we are going to add new class objects or delete any class objects if you want for any projects. Yeah. Thanks for watching.